All right. Now, let's put the nonlinear crystal into the experiment. Okay, this is the down conversion crystal. The down conversion crystal is made of a material called BBO, beta barium oxide, which is a little bit water sensitive. So when we're not using it, we keep it in a dry box. I'm going to open the dry box. I'll show you how to do this. First, we flip the switch and we let air come into the box. Normally it's evacuated. Then we can pull this down. Then we can open the top, like so. And then we can carefully take out the BBO crystal. Here it is. It's mounted on this mount. Now, it's already roughly aligned from the last time we used it. So handle this carefully when you take it out. Otherwise, you'll have to realign it. In order to do that, try to handle it by the base, here or here, instead of handling it by the top. Because if you handle it by the top, it's easy to twist. And don't turn these adjustment screws unless you have to when you're doing alignment. But definitely don't do it while you're handling it. So we're going to take that out and bring it over to the experiment. Once that's out, we close up the box and pump it out again because there are other air-sensitive components inside. Let me pause 1 second here. Okay. Now we have the crystal and we're going to put it into the system. It should be very easy. This is on a magnetic mount. You can see the magnets here. Notice these 3 balls here. These will go into sockets on the receptacle. This piece is going to go right here. And if you look carefully, you'll see 3 spaces where those 3 balls will drop in. And that's to produce, to allow it to align perfectly to wherever it was before. So I'm going to just make sure it lines up, and then I'll carefully set it in. The magnets are kind of strong, so if you're not careful, it will snap in, and that might disturb the alignment. Otherwise, there's no problem. Even though this is air sensitive, there's no problem with leaving this on the table for several hours or even several days. It's just we don't want to leave it out for weeks and months because it would slowly degrade. Okay? But it's not something we have to worry about too much. We're almost ready to go on. Oh, we better put the cover back onto the detector box before we do anything else. So this just sits back down. Notice there's some weather stripping on the bottom. It should sit on that so that there are no gaps where light can come in. All right, I think we're ready to continue now.